Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Get ready for a mind-blowing number puzzle. This Olympiad problem will test your logic, patience and creativity. But trust me, once you see the solution, you will feel unstoppable. The problem is square root 64 divided by 8 plus square root 63. You have to find the value of this. To solve this, first of all, we can rationalize this. So, we will multiply and divide by its reciprocal. So, 64 by 8 plus square root 63 is multiplied by 8 minus square root 63 by 8 minus square root 63. And this square root will be both of the fractions. Now in the next step, we will solve this as this will become 64 into 8 minus square root of 63 divided by, here we apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b always equals a square minus b square. So we will apply this formula in the denominator. So we get 8 into 8 is 8 square plus minus minus and square root 63 square. Now in the next step, we will write square root 64 into 8 minus square root of 63 and divided by 8 square is 64 minus this square is cancelled out by this square root, so we have only 63. So we will solve this further here. It will become equals square root of 64 into 8 minus square root of 63. Now this square root will be split into two parts, square root 64 and the square root of 8 minus square root of 63. Now this equals 1. 8 square and square root of 8 minus square root of 63. Now this square is cancelled out by this square root, so we have only 8. So 8 is multiplied by 8 minus square root of 63. Now we have to solve this further. For this purpose, we will apply a trick here. According to this trick, we will multiply and divide by 2. To solve this further, we will apply a trick here that in the square root we can write this as 2 by 2 and 8 minus square root of 63, because we know that the reason is that 1 equals 2 by 2, because 2 and 2 are cancelled out, so we can write this as 2 by 2. So now we will solve this here. We get 8 and square root of 16 minus, now we get 2 is multiplied by 8, we get 16, and then 2 is multiplied by this square root, so 2 into 6, 3. Now in the next step, we will solve this further, divided by 2. So we get 8 into square root of 16 can be write as 9 plus 7, then minus 2, and 63 can be write as 9 multiply 7 and divided by 2. Now in the next step, we will solve this as, we can write equals 8 into 9 is the square of 3. So this is 3 square, and plus 7 can be write as square root of 7 square, because this square is cancelled out by this square root, so remaining is 7. Minus 2 into 3 square root 7. Now and divided by 2. Now you can see we have, this is the formula of 8 into 3 minus square root 7 whole square and divided by 2. This is the formula for whole square. Because this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, this will become a minus b whole square. Now we will solve this further here, that this square is cancelled out by the square root. So we have 8 into 3 minus square root of 7 divided by 2, and now square root is present here. Now we will again do the rationalization of this. This 2 is multiplied and divided by square root of 2. So in the next step we will solve this further here. We get 8 by square root of 2 square into 3 multiplied by square root 2 minus square root 14. Now this is cancelled out and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we will get the final answer of this just by multiplying by square root 2 and write the final answer here. This is equals, 4 is multiplied by this, 12 square root 2 minus 4 square root 14. So this is the final answer. We will write the final answer in the above question mark. So this is 12 square root of 2 minus 4 square root of 14. So this is the final answer. In this question we have just done first of all the rationalization. Rationalization is multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of this, that is 8 plus square root 63, multiply and divide by 8 minus square root of 63. After this we will make a trick here, that multiply and divided by 2 and 2. Why we have multiplied this? Because we have to make a completing square formula for this, and then 16 can be write as 9 plus 7 and 63 can be write as 9 multiply 7. We have make this. After this will become 3 minus square root 7 whole square formula. Then in the denominator we have square root 2, so multiply and divide by square root 2 and 2. After this we will have easily find the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.